Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I have another Halara haul. Look at all that lot. Can't wait to show you these. I reckon this might be the best one we've done. I think this is the third time I'm working with Halara, and I have to say I do like the quality of their clothes. They wash really well, they don't pull, they don't stretch. So let's get into the haul. What I'll do is a few try-ons, and I'll sort of insert them somewhere so you can see what they look like. But we've got quite a lot to get through. So let's start. So they come in the individual bags, which are great for reusing. I took some of these on a holiday recently and used them for, in fact, I put some clean underwear in them. So I had pants, socks and bras, and then I used the bigger one to bring the dirties back. So what I've done, I've hung everything up. These only arrived yesterday, and all the creases have nearly dropped out already. I hung them up overnight, had a shower. So all the creases have come out. Right, let's start with this pair. Wow, these are a bit different, aren't they? So these are, they're not jeggings. Wow, are they? No, are they jegging Halara pants? I'm not quite sure what to call them. So they are a denim type material. They've got the big waistband. They've got pockets. They have got a cuff bottom, and they are absolutely very, very comfortable. What I'll do with all of these, I shall put the links to them all in the description box down below, along with our discount code, which I'll flash up on screen for you now. And I think all of these I got in a size small, and as we go along you will see. These, unfortunately, because they are quite wide fitting, I don't know if they're a little bit too big for me. So I may well sell these on my Vinted account, which I'll put in the description box. But they are very flattering, so I'm not sure. Let me know in the description box what you think. Should I keep those or should I sell them? Next are these. So these are a navy, they're like a trouser, but they're in legging material. Bizarre. I have never tried anything like this on before. They are quite a bootleg, which you'll see in the try on. Probably not my style, but for people that like a bootleg, absolutely fabulous. So comfortable. They've got little pretend faux pockets on the front, none on the back, but as you can see they're like a legging on the back, and they've got that sort of bummish shape. They've got a nice waistband which stretches. So if you look on the website you'll see that each style or design of trouser or top comes in loads of different colours. So the ones I show you today, most of them come in that different colourway. So if you're not keen necessarily on navy, do check them out because there's loads of different colours. I think this next pair are the favourite from my haul. I love this sort of colour. You'll know if you've been here a while. Khaki colours are for me. These are a different material to the others. They are stretchy, but they aren't like the legging material. They're slightly different, as you can hear. Creases, I think these could do with a little bit of an iron. They've got pockets, they've got the big waistband, which stretches, and a cuff bottom. So they're slightly wider, baggier at the top, but as they go down to the bottom, they're a little bit narrower and a smidge shorter than some of the others, but I really like these, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these over the coming months. Because of the colour, they will go with so many things. These will look really nice with trainers or a baseball boot, hooded top, gilet, I don't know, long sleeve top. I think because of the material you could even get away with a bit of a jumper with those. But they are a definite keeper. I really like them. Next time, hopefully if I work with them again, I think I'll get them in a different colour. Something a little bit fancy next. Look at these! Woo-hoo-hoo! So these are more of a legging, a gym legging let's say, and maybe not, you might want to wear these out to the disco. So they're leggings with a little bit of colour to them. I went for the navy blue colour. You can get them in black. So they've got a lovely waistband, pockets, super duper comfy. I've worn these, in fact I've ordered these in just plain leggings before. I've had them in black and navy, not with the shine, the lurex shine, but I've worn them loads and they've washed really, really well. So if you're after something a little bit more fancy, They do cater for everybody, but like I say, you can get these in just a plain black or navy, or as I've said earlier, all the colours. But yeah, look at those. Another pair I'm definitely keeping. I love these. A grey with the cuff bottom. Do you know what I like? I think with leggings, they fit so many different heights. So for me, because I'm quite small, they fit me down as like ankle grazers, or even some of them are a bit longer like a trouser. But if you're a bit taller, they come sort of a 3/4 length or maybe an ankle grazer, which leggings look fine at any length, don't they? So that's why I think they're so popular with everybody. Not just Halara ones, but just in general, people like leggings because, you know, they fit everyone. So these got a drawstring, nice big waistband, pockets, as standard. Yeah, like those. And again, they've been hung up, creases have dropped out. So next up is this beautiful corally, pinky coloured top. Really like this. I love the design of it. So you've got the vest sort of design at the front, and then at the back, look at the straps. Then with this, isn't that gorgeous? It's got padded bust, but those pads come out, so you can either wear them with or without. On the try-in, I've got them on. I've got this in a size small. This is really comfortable, very supportive, feels lovely and soft. Really like the design of that. And at the back, you've also got the clip, so you can undo it and tie it up around the back of your neck. I like that so much, I got it in a different colour as well. So I also went for the grey, which matches the grey leggings that I bought, and I'll show you those in the try-on. So exactly the same as the pink, but in the grey version. And then I also got this plain top, which is just a plain vest. It's sort of a bluey grey colour. Again, it's padded. Again, the padding comes out. And this one has got like a built-in bra. So if you do take the padding out, you've got the built-in bra. So, you know, if you don't need the extra bit around the bosom, it's just a lovely little vest top to wear to the gym or for casual. And then finally, two more pairs of more like trousers. So we'll start with these grey. Unfortunately, these two pairs I'm not sure about for me, because I'm quite small, I've got quite thin legs. I don't know if these do me any favours, but I do really like them. But I think I just prefer a more narrow leg trouser personally. They may look, I think they do actually look nice. They look very slimming, but they're a little bit too long for me. And again, it's the wide leg, I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. So this is the first pair, again in a small, super duper stretchy. You've got loads of pockets. They're real pockets at the back. The ones at the front, yeah, real as well. And then you've got like the button up, I think that's fake. Yeah, button up front is fake, but makes it look a little bit more put together, a bit more like a pair of trousers. These are wide fit. Quite wide fit. They're not necessarily bootleg. They are wide all the way down. Lovely grey colour. Do you know, I wonder, would you get away with wearing something like this in an office? Because to me, when you touch them, they're like leggings, but when you look at them, they're like smart trousers. And then finally this pair with the pair I was really looking forward to, and unfortunately they're not for me, which I'm gutted about. They are beautiful. Look at these. These are more like actually a trouser. They're elasticated, very comfortable, as are the rest, but different material. They've got pockets, they've got the elastication, they've got, is that a word, elastication? They've got belt loops. They are rather wide fit, again not too long. Absolutely beautiful trousers, and look at the colour, they're like a salmony pink. Really like those. I'm gutted they just don't look that good on me. I think they're too big actually. The bit round the back, let me just check the side. Yeah, they're small as well, so I needed an extra small in those. A little bit too much material around the bottom for me, but if you're looking for some really comfy trousers, these would be great on holiday in the heat. something a bit cooler, or in the office actually, if you're just looking for something, if you travel a bit, don't want anything that creases too much. I'm gutted they don't look as nice as I hope they would. So I will pop those on Vinted if anybody's interested. As I said, they're a size small, but I reckon they probably fit somebody size 12, rather than, what am I? I'm about an 8 at the minute, 8 to 10, so maybe a 12. But yeah, really gutted they don't fit. So Halara sell loads of different things, not just trousers. They sell all different types of tops, long sleeve, shorter sleeve, vest tops, different types of leggings, jeggings, jeans, trousers, there's all sorts. So please do go check them out. I shall pop all the details in the description box down below of the items that I've shown you, along with the discount code, which I'll flash up again. So I don't get any commission from this, but if you do buy any, please do let me know, because it's good for me to know when I go back to the brand and say, do you want to work together again, that, you know, I've generated some sales. So that is it. Please do subscribe if you're not already. Give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to do that. And I will see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.